heading over the mighty Mississippi River at Helena, Arkansas, crossing over into the great state of Mississippi. Let's see if I can turn off and get a look. I passed this on a side street next to the bridge, and I wondered, what is this place? So I thought I'd do a turnaround, stop and pull in, and I thought it was abandoned, but now I hear that it's something's going on in there. It looks kind of spooky. I don't think I'd want to go in here at night, but I'm going to venture on in and see what happens. Wish me luck. Interesting. I wonder if it's for moving grain. A lot of facilities around here for moving cotton or rice. Okay. I don't know exactly what they're doing here. It's the bunge facility. These railroad tracks used? Yeah, I'd say so. Not for far. Got a little rust on them. Abandoned building at sometime that was new. Somebody's very proud of it. I wonder if those were offices or somebody lived there. That looks swampy. The railroad track. Let's say these are still in. Okay, there's the bunge facility, whatever that is. I'll look that up later. Now there's a road going up through the levee. I wonder where that goes. Should we try it? Okay. So far I haven't seen any signs that says don't do this or don't do that. Just hope nobody's coming over this hill, because I can't see for. Oh, it does go on. But will I be able to turn around and get back out? I'm not a very good backer-upper. Should we chance it? I don't know. To the right or left? I like the left a little better. We'll get out here and get stuck. Made it out of there, so now I'll give you a view of the backside of whatever this semi-abandoned facility is. I'm right next to the Mississippi River. I'll be crossing the bridge here in a minute, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. What this canal does. That's swampy looking over there. Useful part must be over here. What for? I don't know. Those are blowers. Keep whatever in there's humidity down, I guess. Cool. Get a lot of grain together sometime. It can spontaneously combust due to the dust. That's interesting. I'll have to look up Google and see what this place was or is. All I know is that's a high tower up there. But I see no entrance to it, so whatever they're burning off or whatever it was doing must have been underground. My first glimpse of the Mississippi River Bridge at Helena, Arkansas. Forget what time it is. This is interesting. And we get to look at the bridge underneath it. Sign it to from the bridge at a different angle. Let's see if we can find the river. Okay, let's hope we don't get busted here. I'm gonna go for it. That's the Mississippi. See how far I can get before somebody starts yelling at me. So this private property, I promise I won't hurt their private property.